Hi, my name's Daniel Woods. I'm an attorney, and in the next few minutes I'm going to answer the question, what can I do to get an affordable divorce? Most people that get divorced in Utah are just normal, ordinary, run-of-the-mill people who don't have a ton of money. That's most of us. And they want to protect their rights. They don't want to have their children taken away. If they're going to get alimony, they want to get alimony. If they're going to pay alimony, they don't want to pay a ton of alimony. They want the protections that the laws offer them. But they don't want to pay a ton of money to a lawyer, which is fair. So my recommendation to somebody in that situation, which I think is most people going through this process, is to get on the computer, in the Google bar, search Utah courts, 2 words, type in Utah courts. If you do that search, one of the top results that will pop up is the official Utah courts website, which is www.utcourts.gov. On the main page, underneath the image of the inside of the Matheson Courthouse, you'll find some self-help links, some self-help resources. And in that body of links, you'll see a link that says Family and Children, Marriage, Divorce, and Custody. If you scroll your cursor over that link, click on the link, it'll open up a web page with a whole variety of topics in the divorce context. You can click on any of those links, and I'd invite you to do that. These are good resources prepared by the state of Utah. They're informative, they're accurate from everything I've seen. It's a really great place for somebody to learn about divorce issues, custody issues, orders to show cause, enforcement of child support and alimony obligations, and to learn about all these things in their own time, on their own dime. Doesn't cost them anything to do it, and it's much less expensive than talking to a lawyer. So I would suggest that you do your own research on the official Utah Courts website, even before you go looking for a lawyer. Now, if you go back to the main page on the Utah Courts website, also in the self-help area, you'll see a link to the online document preparation. Click on that link. That'll take you to another web page where you'll see another link that says, I need an OCAP account. If you click on that link, it'll take you to another web page where you can't use your tablet, you can't use your smartphone, you can't use your iPad. But if you're on a laptop computer or desktop computer, your computer likely will meet the requirements of the system. So you click on My Computer Meets the Requirements. And in the next page, you'll be able to enter in a username, a password, your address, your name. And once you get through that and you log in again, you'll see a whole variety of documents, links. And through that system, you can prepare your own petition for divorce. And not only the petition for divorce, but just about every single document that you'll need for your divorce. So, I'm a lawyer. I don't recommend, especially if you have considerable assets, minor children that you're worried about. I mean, I think you definitely take these documents to a lawyer before you file them with the court. But how nice to not pay $800, $1,200 to a lawyer to prepare the initial documents, the petition for divorce, the summons, and various other documents that are helpful for me, a lawyer, and for other lawyers to simply review with you before you go down and file those with the court. So that's a great way to do it. That's a great way to save some money and get your case started. Bring the documents back. We'll spend an hour with you. We'll go over the documents, answer your questions, and give you some advice on how to act moving forward to protect your rights. Another thing that you can do is Google Utah Modest Means. The state of Utah has a modest means program for people who are in a certain income bracket where they get discounted legal services. And you'll either pay, I think, $50 an hour or $75 an hour if you qualify. And you can also submit an application to participate in that program online. It's an excellent resource. And that's another way you can save money. I want to help my clients obtain professional, quality, attentive legal services that are affordable. And I offer a free consultation for 30 minutes and welcome your phone call.